So this coffee pot or coffee maker, Mr. Coffee thing broke. Switch doesn't work anymore, so I got my backup old one plugged in. I'm gonna take this thing apart, see if I can figure out what's wrong. So I took the bottom off the coffee machine, and this switch, the blue was disconnected, or it was loose, so it wasn't working. The LEDs on the switch doesn't seem to work anymore. It probably burnt out, and it's just line to line. And I plugged it in and it heated up. So it looks like I fixed it. Yay! So I don't have to get a new coffee machine. This is what the inside of a coffee mate looks like. It's upside down right now. You got your heater core right there, and you just got what, line and neutral. So there's no ground, you just so plus and minus your AC 120. Looks like they set up the copper color as plus and yellow is minus. So one of the positive ends, actually positive, was disconnected on the switch, so it wasn't getting power. So the switch just breaks these two positive connections right here. One of them is connected, one of them has a boot. It's a positive and positive, and the switch opens a circuit or closes a circuit. And you got your negative on this side, the white. So there's the AC line in. And you got your switch breaking the positive. There's positive and negative running to the heater core. And that's it. Now I gotta put this thing back together. Whoops.